How to switch to a business account on TikTok.
To start out, go to your profile page. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On the new page that popped up, tap on the gear icon, which is also located in the top right corner. From here, tap on Account. Next, 5 down, tap on Switch to Business Account. On the new page that pops up, tap Next. Tap Next again. One more time. Nope, I was wrong. Another time after that. Continue tapping Next until it's done. Here, you'll be asked to choose your sort of category for your business, so just choose whichever one actually applies to you. In my case, I'm going to choose Education and Training. Then tap Next. Here you can add your email if you want customers to be able to send you emails. I'm going to skip this for now. If you want to add yours, just type in your email address and tap Add. And there you go. Your TikTok account has now been converted to a business account. Tap the button to view the business suite if you want to. Otherwise, we're all done here. But before you go, check this out.